Cryptomus is here. In this video, we would like to introduce you to our latest update. Now you can create widgets in your business wallet. To get started, log into your wallet on the Cryptomus platform. If you don't have one yet, go through a simple registration process. You can log in using Timekeeper, Telegram, or now you can also use Google. To begin creating a widget, you need to select a merchant in your business wallet. If you haven't started accepting payments through our system yet, now is the perfect time to join. So, onto the Merchants page. Click on Widgets. On this page, you can see existing widgets, but right now, we'll teach you how to create a new one. Click on Create a New Widget, and let's get started. Give your widget a name. Next, choose the type. It can be Form, Button, QR Code. Select the merchant. Then from the drop-down list, choose a cryptocurrency. Set the payment amount for your widget, or you can leave it blank to allow your customers to set the amount themselves. You can take a commission on yourself if you wish. Set the payment currency and payment network. Specify the payment name so that your customers know what they are paying for. Great! Now let's move on to the next step, which is customization. On the right side, you can see a preview of your widget, showing how it will look in the end. To start, you need to set the title color. Choose any color you like, and for convenience, you can use the palette at the end of the row. You can also select two colors, creating a beautiful gradient effect. Next, set the background and button color. Let your imagination run wild. You can choose any color. After that, select the widget size you prefer. And create. Congratulations, you've created a widget. You can copy the code of your widget and use it. Now it appears on your page under the Widgets tab. You can view what you've created and copy the code. Feel free to create new widgets. Try something new. You can always come back and use the widget you created previously. It won't go anywhere. We hope this video was useful. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with Cryptomus news and how it all works. See you soon!